everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saili and in today's video I'm going to create this wedding makeup look. As you can see, I had wrapped up in this beautiful sari of my mom and I had done a very glamorous bold makeup. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly I'm going to prep my skin. I am using Pond's Light Moisturizer. The consistency of this moisturizer is very light. It gets absorbed in the skin very quickly. And because I have a very oily acne prone skin, so this is what I prefer most of the time. Next I'm going to use this highlighting primer from Swiss Beauty. And this is how the actual primer looks like. It has a little bit shimmery particles that would give you a dewy finish. And it could also be used as a strobe cream. So going ahead, I am going to do my eyebrows, for which I am going to use Miss Color eyebrow pencil. So for this I am going to hold a mirror very closely and fill in the gaps carefully. So next I am going to use LA Pro Concealer. This is in shade medium beige. All the product details and the shade name would be mentioned down in description box, so please do not forget to check that out. So here I have covered all the dark circles and acne spots, and then I am going to blend it with my fingers. So next I'm going to mix these two foundations today, because the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation is little bit darker for me and the sugar one is little bit lighter for me. So I mix these two shades to get my perfect shade. So firstly I'm going to dot it all over my face, and then I am going to use a beauty blender to blend it. So the beauty blender I am going to use is by Color Bar. Both the foundation have a very sheer to medium coverage, but of course you can build it up as per your preferences. Next I'm going to use NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. This is a highlighting shade for me. So I'm going to highlight my under eyes, the bridge of the nose, and going to blend it all together. So starting off with eye makeup, today I am going to use this beautiful palette by Makeup Revolution Bright Colors. So firstly I am going to pick up this rusty orange color as a transition color. So I am going to apply it all over the eyelid as a base color. Then with a small brush I am going to pick up this red maroon color and apply it on the outer corner of my eyelid. So I'm trying to create a wing with it, but you don't have to be worried about being precise, because we can definitely fix it later. Feel free to go back and forth with the colors to get the required pigmentation. Whatever product which is left on my brush, I'm going to apply it on the inner corners without taking extra product. So now I'm going back to the fluffy blending brush and going to blend everything all together seamlessly. And finally I'm going to use Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is in shade Champagne. This is definitely the star product and the must-have product in your vanity. It is also very affordable. I think it retails for around rupees 181. So I'm going to apply it from the inner corner of my eyelid to the center of the eyelid. As you can see, the pigmentation of this product is also very nice. So I'll quickly do the other eye off camera and come back. This is how the complete eye makeup look like. Now I'm going to use NYX Photogenic HD Concealer to clear the edges of the eyeshadow. I'm just going to dab little bit of concealer on the outer side of the eyelid and then I'm going to blend it with Beauty Blender. This makes the eyeshadow very precise and it also helps color to pop out. It looks like you have put in a lot of effort to create the wing, but in reality it isn't like that. Now I am going to use Lakme Instant Liner and create a normal wing eyeliner. Next I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder to set the base. With the help of this powder brush, I am going to take some powder on the brush and dab the excess powder, and then I am going to apply it under the eyes and similarly on the rest of the face so that the foundation would not transfer and the makeup could last long. Next I am going to use Plump Kajal and apply it on the waterline. This kajal stays for very long time, it doesn't even smudge, so it is perfect for wedding occasions. Next I am going to use this face palette by Sugar. This is in shade Vivid. This has legit become my go-to palette. It has everything that you want. Also it comes with a mirror which is very convenient. As you can see, the blush is not very much pigmented, but I prefer my blushes to be less pigmented, otherwise it would end up looking like a clown. Next I am going to pick up this bronzer from the palette and going to slightly warm up the face to give it dimension. I am also very slightly going to contour my nose. Next I am going to pick up the highlighter from the same palette. This highlighter is very smooth and it is not like that chunky highlighters that come on your face. It gives you a very settled within glow. I am going to apply the highlighter on the higher points of my face like my cheekbones, nose and upper lip. Next I am going to use Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer to finally lock everything. This has a very strong fragrance, so if you are someone who doesn't like strong fragrances, then stay away from it. I am just going to leave it for few minutes to dry it out. Now I am going to apply Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick. This is in shade Assertive. This is a very cherry red kind of a shade, but the eyes are neutral, so you can of course play with the colors. You can also choose mauve pink color or brown color would also go with this eyeshadow. But as this is a wedding guest makeup look, I choose to apply red lipstick. But for the fact I know a lot of girls don't like red lipstick. So these are the options you can go for if you feel like red is too much with the glossy eye makeup. This lipstick may look glossy now, but when it dries it becomes completely matte. And finally I'm going to apply some mascara. So the mascara I'm using is L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. And this is how the final look looks like, and now I'll quickly get ready and come back. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy watching it, please like and comment down below. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.